What's up everybody, it is update number 1 on the SC400. Let's take a look around. First, I replaced the car stereo. I put in the Pioneer AVH 2550 NEX, so as soon as I put it into reverse, the camera view pops up. Now let's take a look at the camera. I installed the EchoMaster wireless backup camera. In the last video I mentioned that the window tint was in rough shape, so I went to LA Tint in Sterling, Virginia and got fresh tint put on. 35% in the back, 50% in the front. Next, I'm going to work on getting rid of these water/acid stains out of the windows because right now it's not looking good. I'm also going to have to polish the paint because she's full of swirls right now, but I'll cover the windows and the paint in the next video. Alright, well that will do it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Holla at your koala. I'm out.